Welcome back. Today, we're sharing the ultimate guide to cleaning consumables you need for every room in your home. Whether you're moving in or just need a refresh, having the right supplies can save you time and effort. Let's get started. The living room is the heart of your home, where you relax and entertain. Here are the essentials for keeping it clean: all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, dusting spray, furniture polish, vacuum cleaner.
The kitchen requires specialized cleaning products to maintain hygiene. Here's what you'll need: dish soap, degreaser, disinfectant spray, oven cleaner, floor cleaner. The bathroom is a high-traffic area that needs regular attention. Equip yourself with these products: toilet cleaner, tile and grout cleaner, shower cleaner, disinfectant wipes, glass cleaner. An uncluttered bedroom promotes restful sleep. Here's what you'll need: dusting cloth, fabric freshener, carpet cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Keep your laundry room organized with these essentials: laundry detergent, fabric softener, stain remover, washing machine cleaner, lint rollers. With more people working from home, a tidy office is crucial. Here are your must-have supplies: screen cleaner, compressed air duster, disinfectant wipes, general all-surface cleaner. Stocking your home with the right cleaning consumables ensures a clean and healthy environment for you and your loved ones. Whether it's a deep clean or daily maintenance, the products you choose make a difference. Follow this guide to tackle messes in any room. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks.